I'd like to show you now how we can do some really neat tricks with the sound in Pictures2exe. So I want to add a comment to an audio commentary to that image there. So make sure we've got that selected. We can go to Customize Slide, and of course you can add an audio file if you've already got one pre-recorded, or we can actually add one now. We can record our own voice, making sure you've got a microphone, of course, plugged into your computer. So if we select that there, we get our little record voice comments here, and by clicking record we can now record a comment. I'm going to leave this as it is and sort this out once we've got the comment recorded. So here's a quick comment, and here we can see a puffin taking off. So press the stop button, and that is our comment recorded. We can play it back, and here we can see a puffin taking off. So we need to save it to a location. So first of all, I'm going to go to File, My Computer, SSD. I have already recorded a comment here, so it will I'll just put the comment puffin taking off there. So I'm going to save that. It's going to say yes, replace the one I've already got. So save and exit. Okay, and we can see on slide 14, which is this one here, slide 14, we've got an audio file, and there it is, puffin taking off. Okay. So now if we play, just move the little cursor back there, let's play it back. Here we have a puffin taking off. Very nice, but of course the audio, the background audio track is washing out most of my commentary. So we have the ability within these audio tracks to change the volume all the way through the tracks. There's a little bit of an issue with this particular track because it starts. If we just move our little cursor here, the actual track starts there, which is like 22, so 21, 2 seconds into the slideshow. And this slide starts at 1 minute 8 seconds. So we've got we're actually 46 seconds into this track here when the slide starts. So that's when I'd like the music to actually begin to fade, just before there, 46 seconds, and then maybe fade back in again at the end of the track. So what can we do? We can right click on this track, customize audio clip, and we can go to our waveform and envelope tool. And here of course we can see the timeline. So I reckon around about 46 seconds I want the music soundtrack to fade. Now what we can do, making sure we've got apply envelope and guidelines selected, I can click in the image there. I'll do another one there, and I'm just going to go to about there. We can drag them along. So what does this do? Well, these are like little anchor points, and if I click inside the music like so, and click here inside the music like so, what we've effectively done, let's play that, is faded out the music for the duration that I've got moved there. Okay. We can drag these. If it's a little bit too much, we can just click and drag. Click and drag. So we're not fading the music totally out. And of course we can do that for other areas inside the soundtrack. So okay, we can add. So we can do that all the way along. To get rid of these, just press Control and click And of course, you've got a if you click on that, you'll get rid of the entire lot across the waveform. Let's just make sure that that is in the correct position. I might have to just come back and tweak these a little bit. So close that down. So just move it back to about there. It's fading out. Here we have a puffin taking off. And the music's back to full power again. So hopefully that's shown you some of the additional power that we can apply audio and music effects into Pictures2Xe shows.